Hello everyone, I'm Anna, Product Manager at NEXCOM. Today I'm going to introduce you our new industrial field bus embedded system, NIFE 106. NIFE 106 is designed for industrial automation applications such as machine control, edge computing, gateway, CNC automation, and control cabinets. It combines industrial design, flexible upgrades with field bus connectivity and expansion options, easy maintenance, including book size and front access to all input and output connectors, fanless thermal solution, DIN rail mounting, and intelligent software, which is IoT Studio, Hilscher, or Codices. The NIFE series offers product availability for up to 15 years, making it an ideal product for industrial automation applications. Now let me show you the real product. On the top side, there are 4 antenna holes and an expansion slot for installing field bus cards, for example, Profibus, Profinet, EtherCAT, and others. All other input and output connectors are located on the front side. Here you can see power button connector, 4 LED status indicators, 1 for power, 1 for storage, and 2 for COM port function, 1 HDMI port for video output, 2 USB connectors, 3 LAN ports, 1 COM port with isolation, power input connector, and chassis grounding. At the bottom, there are additional 3 input and output connectors, which is digital I/O, COM port with isolation, and USB Type-C. These connectors are available by request. NIFE 106 can be installed on the wall using wall mount kit. So here, this part is wall mount kit. Or it also supports DIN rail installation with this DIN rail pattern. DIN rail kit is available by request. So what's new compared to the previous generation of compact NIFE products? Despite significant performance upgraded memory and storage, faster and more power-efficient memory, NIFE 106 has built-in TPM 2.0 for hardware-based security, 3 2.5 GB LAN ports with TSN function for Industry 4.0 networking requirements. The quad-core Intel N97 CPU boasts an impressive performance increase over the previous generation, which is NIFE 105. NIFE 106 offers powerful processing for real-time data transmission with low latency for high-demand applications. The new design with triple Ethernet ports allows to connect to the internet, intranet, and function LAN at the same time. This brings redundancy and increased security and efficiency in automation applications. All serial ports are isolated to prevent accidental high-voltage shorts, lightning surges, and ground loops, so that the NIFE 106 will not be damaged while connected. NIFE 106 has an optional USB Type-C connector that can deliver up to 15 watts to power various industrial devices and peripherals with a single USB Type-C cable. So you can power your small-size monitor, keyboard, or mouse. NIFE 106 has field bus connectivity options that support standard industrial protocols ranging from CAN-open, DeviceNet, Profibus, Profinet, EtherCAT, and Ethernet. It has internal M.2 and mini PCIe expansion modules for installing Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, 4G, LTE, and additional storage. Easy wall mount or DIN rail installation, industrial-grade compliance, and an extended operating temperature range makes NIFE 106 ideal for installations with limited space, ensuring efficiency in any environment. At the end, I want to mention that developing next-generation products at NEXCOM, we care about the environmental aspect, and NIFE 106 has been designed with the environment in mind. We have selected low-power consumption processor and components for energy efficiency. The system is fanless and features efficient passive cooling system with metal heatsink. The packaging has been redesigned and now all made from paper, which is a recyclable material. NIFE series products are durable, withstand long usage, and allow for easy upgrades. The product longevity is up to 15 years. All of these features adds on to our green initiative for sustainable future of manufacturing. Thank you for your attention in this presentation. If you have further information or inquiries, please contact us via email shown on the screen. Thank you very much.